Okay friends, today I will describe what I am packing for my camping for the first time. So the first thing that I have here is a large box which I will fill with pretty much all the necessities that I will need in the camping. So let me show you what do I have in mind and what I'm taking with me. Now I will pack these torchlights, two of them, because they are very necessary. Two torchlights. Very important first aid kit. Fan with light. For tent. Batteries. Lots of them with different sizes. You never know what you need it for, but it's better to have one, you know. Wire set. You might need it. Cable ties. Nylon cable ties. Disposable shoe cover. Rubber hammer for camping needs. Thermal mosquito repellent. You can use something else too, but I purchased this one because I think this will be more satisfactory. Flushable wipes. Duct tape. Button full for my burner. Two of them for backup. Spoon, fork, and knife set. Telescoping fork. Spatula. My Coleman Button stove for instant start of cooking. Ziploc storage. A solar charger. Grill or griddle. All metal. Mosquito repellent band. Two of these. Extra hooks for the tent. Tarp for under the tent. I also purchased these rain fly for my instant tent because if it in case rains, then I'll definitely gonna need it. Alright, now it's time for food. So for the breakfast or dinner, I got the bread right here. So I'll put it right there. Then I actually got these ramen noodles. They're very easy to make. You just have to boil water and just pour it in, and you can just go ahead and eat it. It's ready to go. So I got 5 of ramen noodles. I got sugar for coffee or tea. My Ozark Trail mug. Then I do have this multi-spice which actually has curry, cayenne, garlic salt, black pepper, salt, paprika. All these in one. Awesome. Awesome for camping. Now I do have this small extra Morton salt. And I do have this onion powder with me as well. Onion powder as well. In case we needed this organic. So, you know. Item that I'll carry. Egg. Then juice. Chicken salad. Then I do have these corns. I already made them ready. Also guys, look, I do have hot dog, onion, tomato, beans, cilantro, mushroom, and carrot. So these are all ready. So whenever I'll get there, so I can start cooking whenever we are hungry. Finally, I have these barbecue sticks and my favorite lemon ginger herbal tea. And it will go right here. And I'm gonna close my box. Locked and ready to go. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.